Your friend, play with you, bro.
That's not my friend. That's not my friend. I don't know him. He just looked good. Oh, wrong way. Oh my god. And it right in his hands.
Why do you walk like that?
Blur.
Okay,
Yeah, you're getting the ball every time.
You
King.
hit the right there.
please.
You're so good. You're so good. You're so good. You're so good.
This is the ultimate glaze. I'm not even that good, but like,
He's not.
I'm gonna take the glaze.
Pin pineapple, apple, pin. Oosh, oosh, oosh. Can't guard me. What you jumping for? Oh, that's not me, gang.
Fast.
That's snatch.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get up court, teammate, so it don't be a back court violation. All right.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Yo, what the heck is this?
Bro, like, stop trying to body block me. Teammate. Bro, that's... Nah, snatch, gang. Give me that back.
Yeah, ball. I blocked it. What do you mean? Give me... No, it's cheated. It's snatchy.
Snatching on it. I bet. Nah. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear
Why
it.
are you snatching in the first place, buddy? Yeah, you can only snatch. You're only snatching.
I don't want to hear it, gang. I don't want to hear it. Because you shouldn't have snatched. Are you going to continue to snatch? Oh, pin pineapple. It's good. That's out on you, dummy. That's what you suck. You suck. Teammate, get up court so it don't be a back court. Like, the freaking full court press, I hate it.
Yo, stop snatching, buddy.
I'm about to leave this server.
That's the only thing you do in life. Go touch grass.
Yeah, I'm not playing in this server no more, game. I can't. Ooh.
Cause you suck.
Right.
That's why you're not
you
playing in
keep
this server.
snatching.
Nobody's snatching. You should have never snatched first.
You're snatching.
You suck at the game. Shut up.
Like,
Alright, we'll stop snatching if you stop snatching.
no, I only snatched because he has snatched from my teammate.
Alright, we'll stop
Yeah.
snatching. We'll stop snatching. We'll
I
stop
won't hit
snatching.
you.
We'll stop snatching then.
Play right there. That's-
Yes.
You can't play without snatching.
Oh yeah, I can. Come guard me. No snatch. And you can't guard me. Shut up.
I forgot to
No
jump.
snatching.
I'm used to time jump.
You just snatched from me,
It's
bro.
the time.
Because I'm
Stop snatching. Huh. What? Oh, she did. No, because last 360.
They really thought I was finna shoot it.
Hold up.
No, I am.
Hold up. I got one more point. Hold up.
Teammate, get in front of me. Get in front of me, teammate.
First lesson, stop talking smack about people.
Hold up.
Or
If you
Hey,
actually
what
suck
the
at the
freak?
game, just stop talking smack. If you suck again,
I glitched. Okay. I unmuted myself.
teammate, down court, down court, down court. Teammate, please.
that was snatch. That was snatch.
Da, 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 da.
I can't see.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Block him, block him, block him. Do that.
Wait.
That was so gay. I did
Wait.
not
Nah,
even
you
see
just
pro
suck.
behind.
Let me see.
Oh, snatch? Now you getting mad. Look at crybabies like you.
Oh, because you
Come on,
left.
thank
I know it.
And I'm
I did
pulling
not
that.
mean to, bro. I got
Oh,
I got
nah, you
all low
good, bro.
assists,
You
bro.
good, bro.
Chill.
You good. Ooh,
What?
good punk.
Teammate! Teammate! It's okay.
Bro, y'all are such gay N-words.
I
Yo.
am not used to freaking low assists.
Shut
man.
up, Greenwood.
I can't.
You're not
shoot.
Steph Curry.
I never said I was. I know you heard me say I'm not used to freaking low
My
assists.
mouth him.
I'm used to no assists. That's why I keep grabbing it every
Mouth
time.
him.
I'm taller than all of y'all.
I don't know why you cares.
I
Thank
could be taller than all
Oh,
of
yeah.
y'all.
Nobody cares.
I could be taller than y'all.
Hey, that was a
Nobody
great
cares.
pass. That was a great pass.
You like 3 foot in real life.
You
Shut up,
want me to?
7-year-old. Shut up, 7-year-old. You got pro.
Who's 7-year-old? Who's 7-year-old?
You.
Oh my.
I saw it jumping for a
I'm
honey
still
bun.
10, bro.
I saw it
Green.
jumping for a
Green.
honey bun.
I'm leaving.
No, don't leave. This nigga left. Oh yeah, good game though.
Yeah.
And I
boy,
got make sure, and I got this on YouTube. Thank y'all for my video. I'm gonna call it beating trash talkers. Oh, good job, teammate. Great job. And we got home. Let's go, baby. Beating trash talkers.
Hey, can I play with one of you?